Welcome to another beautiful day here in Central Florida. Everybody's getting ready for Hurricane Milton. It's supposed to hit as a Category 5. Right now I live on the East Coast, so the opposite side of where it's hitting, but it's supposed to be a Category 2, possibly 3 by the time it rolls through here. So I'm gonna go for a little run. It's raining, it's thundering a little bit. There's already flooding going on. People are getting ready, preparing their house. So I'm just gonna go for a little run and check it out and see what everybody's doing. Stay safe. It's crazy to think we're still about 24 hours away from this storm getting to us, and it's already raining and flooding. And be safe out there. It's gonna be a lot of wind or a lot of water. Just stay safe. Shout out to FedEx. 24 hours before the storm, still making deliveries. It's amazing, man. A lot of sacrifices there. Well, that's it. 5.5 miles in the books. It's time to hunker down. Hopefully everybody's safe, and after the storm, I'm gonna do another run and go look and see you know what the damages are. Hopefully minimal. Stay safe. Keep charging on.